Ever wondered why every terrazzo floor looks different? It's not a pattern you print, it's a material. Terrazzo is actually a composite material used in interiors. It's made by mixing small chips of marble, granite, quartz, or even glass with a binder like cement or resin. This mixture is poured and allowed to set, and then ground and polished to reveal the chips inside. That's why terrazzo doesn't have a surface design printed on it. The pattern is built into the material itself. There are two main types you will see in interiors. First is the cement-based terrazzo, which is more traditional, thicker, and slightly porous. Second is the resin-based terrazzo, which is thinner, smoother, and less absorbent. In terms of properties, terrazzo is durable, long-lasting, and highly customizable. You can control the size of the chips, the colors, and even how dense or minimal the pattern looks. It's commonly used for flooring, walls, countertops, staircases, and even furniture. Installation can be done in two ways. First is on-site, where it is poured and finished for a seamless look. Or the second option, which is the precast, as tiles or slabs installed like a regular stone. The advantages are clear. It's durable, flexible in design, and it can last for years. But there are challenges too. Cement-based terrazzos can be porous and may need sealing, and because it already has multiple colors and textures, it can easily make a space feel visually heavy if overused. Maintenance is easy, regular cleaning and occasionally sealing depending on the type. Cost-wise, terrazzo sits in the mid to premium range depending on customization and which is why terrazzo is not just about liking how it looks. It's about understanding how much of it a space can actually handle. And when you get that right, terrazzo doesn't just cover a floor, it defines the space.